First and foremost, a lot of people are questioning the legitimacy of Clipclaps. Let's get this out of the way. It is a legit app that pays users on a consistent basis. There may be times that they would be delayed in sending out payments. There are also instances where payments would be declined. But they would still pay everything as long as they don't see any irregular activity in your account. Here's proof that they do pay. In today's video I just want to share with you 4 strategies I use to earn clapcoins both passively and actively using the Clipclaps app. You can use this code to redeem $1 welcome bonus. Make sure to watch this video till the end. What's up you guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I just want to share with you 4 strategies I use to mine unlimited clapcoins both passively and actively using the Clipclaps app. It is important to understand what do I exactly mean by passive and active clapcoins. Active clapcoins refers to clapcoins I received from performing a certain activity in the app like playing games, watching videos and more. Passive clapcoins are clapcoins that requires little to no effort to earn. But before we continue with our today's topic, much appreciate if you will like this video now. And if it's your first time visiting my channel, please consider subscribing because I'm uploading videos on how to make money online for free. You can use this code to redeem $1 welcome bonus without any waste of time. Let's jump into our today's topic. Clipclaps is a mobile app that is available and free to download on both iOS and Android apps. The app rewards you to watch funny video clips. They are owned and operated by Grand Channel Entertainment Limited and have garnered over 1 million downloads. How can you earn from Clipclaps? Firstly, you will need to download and install the app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Remember to redeem a sign-up bonus $1 by clicking the link in the description box below or enter this code. Every 100,000 clapcoins is equivalent to $1. It might seem difficult to achieve the cash out, but it does not take you much time to reach that. If you are a video lover, it is definitely a great app for you to get paid simply by watching video. The funny videos you get to see in this app can also be found on YouTube or other social media platform. The main difference is that in Clipclaps, you get paid by viewing videos. You receive your earnings through PayPal and prepaid. As the first-time user you must have a total of 10 cents to cash out your rewards. From then on the minimum to make withdrawals is $15 cause at this time of this video the $10 minimum withdrawal is currently locked. Clipclaps can be downloaded and installed by people from any country. Cause it's available worldwide and free to download. It has a referral program. People you invite receive up to $1 when they start using the app for the first time and you receive prizes in diamond chests. The rewards obtained are called clapcoins, which can be converted into real money. With that said, the first way to earn clapcoins using the Clipclaps app it's by playing games. There is a game center that you can play games, like Aquarium and CoinCat to get more clapcoins. Beside that, you can also play the Scratcher once your balance is over 5,000. CoinCat. This game is very simple and straightforward. You just merge cats to get higher level cats. You just need to grind your way to the highest level cats in the game. Get the bonus cat coins, watch the ads, etc. This is also the part where Clipclaps shows its ads. Aquarium. If you're just starting out with the aquarium game, you have to get the aquarium expansion upgrades immediately so that you'll have more fish in the tank. Then purchase the fish upgrades next. You'll always get the luxury goldfish outright. Don't sell this fish. Just take care of it. For all the other fish, I found out that you'll get more gold if you sell them after 3 days of letting them grow. Don't forget to feed them every now and then. With that being said, let's move on to the second way to earn clapcoins using the Clipclaps app is financial plan. Once you start to earn some decent amount of clapcoins, you can invest your clapcoins to earn interest over the days, and here are the funds. Silverstone Fund. You can invest 4,000 clapcoins just for 7 days, and after 7 days, you will receive 6,000 clapcoins, so you earn 2,000 clapcoins. Goldstone Fund. You can invest 6,000 clapcoins just for 14, and after 14 days, you will receive 10,800 clapcoins, so you earn 4,800 clapcoins. Black Crescent Fund. You can invest 6,000 clapcoins and after 30 days, you will receive 15,000 clapcoins, so you earn 9,000 clapcoins. The third way to earn clapcoins using the Clipclaps app is uploading videos. You can also upload YouTube videos or short funny videos to earn more clapcoins. This is another easy and quickest way to earn clapcoins. It enables you to earn clapcoins passively. All you have to do head over to YouTube. If you have a YouTube channel, it can benefit you cause you will be able to upload your own videos. Choose a category, add tags and click upload. Even if you don't have a YouTube channel, you can upload other people's videos that you like and start earning clapcoins passively using these strategy. As you can see here, I was able to earn 1000 plus clapcoins this week only just by uploading my favorite videos. So here's how it works. Whenever someone gives a clap to the video you uploaded, you earn a clapcoin. Let's say your video gets 100,000 claps, you will earn 100,000 clapcoins, of which is equivalent to $1. Once you have downloaded your videos, upload them to Clipclaps. Upload as much as possible to get more chances of your video going viral. You can use this code to redeem your $1 welcome bonus. This are the 4 ways I use to earn more clapcoins using this application. So now, tell me which strategy seems more interesting to you. You can drop your best comment in the comments section below to let me know. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell button in order to be notified whenever I upload a new video based on this content. Once again, thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.